Ragnarok M Eternal Love is now available in the Google Play Store in select countries. If you are unable to download a game directly from the Play Store, then you came to the right place. This video will show you how to manually download and install Ragnarok M to your Android device. I'm using a Google Pixel running Android version 9.0 in this tutorial, so some of the settings may be different, but the overall tutorial will be the same. Let us begin. First, we're going to need to download the latest Ragnarok M APK file. I'll have the download link in the description box below. Go to the link and download the APK file. The game file is huge, so make sure you have enough space. The APK file alone is over 1 gig, and after you launch the game, it'll make you download another 2 gigs of data. Just keep that in mind. When the file is finally done downloading, open it. In here, depending on your Android version, you may get prompted to turn on apps from unknown sources in the settings. Just turn that on or you won't be able to install the APK file. Now hit install. And that's it. We can now launch the game. So here's where it's going to download the additional files. If this video helped you out, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. Thanks.